Hello, I'm Scott Gregg with Rehau Everloc & Associates, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Rehau Everloc Plus toolkit both safely and properly. The Rehau Everloc Plus toolkit comes with the hydraulic tool, 3 expanders sizes 1/2 inch to 1 inch, the expander head, a charger and spare DeWalt 12-volt battery, and the jaws from 1 inch to 1/2 inch. It also comes with a pair of cutters, but they're out on a job site right now. The tool itself has a rotating head that you can spin all the way around as needed. You assemble the expander head on the silver side of the jaws, like so. Your expander itself is just a 1/4 turn, and you can change them very quickly. The jaws can be put on either side of the tool, but it will not let you put them on incorrectly. They'll only go on one way. I typically like to put the black ones on the front, but you can do it however you want. The silver one into the back, and what this does is it lets you get in a very tight place for doing your compression. The jaws can also be configured around to the side of the tool for getting into an even more cramped space, like that. And you do not have to have the expander head on to make a compression, so this will get up into a fairly tight spot. To properly make a fitting with this tool, you want to start with a straight cut, put your sleeve on and slide it out of the way. Your fitting won't go in because this is an expansion PEX system. You have to expand the pipe first. So what we're going to do is you expand the pipe twice. Expand it the first time. Give it a little turn, about 30 degrees. Expand it again. Now the fitting goes in, and what we're going to do is use the jaws, black jaws to the black fitting, silver jaws to the back of the silver sleeve. Just let it pull it up. Now you have a pressure tight fitting ready to go. One of the things you want to always remember when doing a coupling is to get the black jaw in that notch between those two lugs. Other fittings such as T's and 90s only have a single lug to put the black jaw behind to compress your sleeve over top. So to show you this one more time, a little closer, we're going to expand the pipe twice. After the first expansion, we're going to turn it about 30 degrees. This just rounds out the flat spots from the die. Then we'll use the jaws to compress the sleeve over the coupling. Put our sleeve on, out of the way. Once, give it a little turn. Twice. Fitting goes in. Black jaw to the black, silver to silver. And it's done. Pressure tight, ready to go. There's really no time limit to how long you have from when you expand it to when you insert the fitting. If it shrinks back down and the fitting won't go, just expand it again and continue as usual. Changing your tool for different sizes is very easy. 1/4 turn and you can change the expander head to the proper size. Take the jaws off. Put the jaws for the size you're getting ready to work with on the tool. And you're pretty much ready to go for the next size. Another thing you need to know about this tool is it is a hydraulic tool. It's very powerful. If you get your hand caught in here, it's going to hurt. So we have a release mechanism built into the bottom. Pull that button and it will let go. Make sure all of your employees know about the release mechanism on this and the large diameter tool. On a large diameter tool, it's located around to the side. There's a button there to press to release the tension on it. 2 battery packs is typically enough to get you through the heaviest working day without any problem. The battery's charged from fully dead to fully charged in less than an hour's time. So that's all there is in using the Rehau Everloc Plus toolkit. This is the fastest, most secure PEX system on the market, and we actually market this as a superior product to copper. The Rehau PEX A pipe is not affected by any water quality issues. It doesn't have anywhere near the flow losses of other fitting systems because it is a full port fitting, and it is very, very fast like you just saw. If you have any questions, we'll have a phone number and email in the description below. Please give us a call and let us know if we can help you. Thank you very much for watching.